Hello everyone, today we will discuss about cough syrup. So the first is this is cough syrup coughlette. Coughlette syrup is an Ayurvedic remedy used for various cough like dry cough, wet cough, allergic cough. So we can use in these type of cough. Second is cough syrup Magnetus tea. This is used in the treatment of dry cough. Third is Hornitus syrup, effective relief from sore throat, cough and cold. I have personally used syrup coughlette and I really like it. It gave me quick relief from cough and sore throat. So guys, you can also use syrup. Thanks for watching.